All right. Today we're checking out the SoundPeats PearlClip Pro. Unlike traditional in-ear earbuds, these don't go inside your ear canal. They sit just outside your ears, so you can hear your surroundings while still enjoying your music or podcasts. But how do they sound? Let's unbox them, test them out, and see if they're the right fit for you. Right out of the box, you get a user manual and app guide, some stickers, the SoundPeats PearlClip Pro earbuds, a Type-C charging cable. The packaging is well designed and gives off a premium feel, which is nice to see in this price range. Before we dive into the experience, here's a quick rundown of the key specs. Bluetooth version 5.4, a stable connection with lower power consumption, waterproof rating, IPX5, resistant to sweat and splashes, making them good for workouts. Battery life, 35 mAh each, charging case, 350 mAh, total playtime, up to 24 hours, fast charging, 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playback. Drivers, 12mm dual magnetic dynamic drivers, typical TWS controls that can be customized to adjust volume, skip songs, and even open your phone's assistant. Multi-device connection. You can connect them to 2 devices at the same time, meaning you don't have to manually disconnect from your phone to switch to your PC. Most TWS earbuds don't offer this feature. The earbuds and case have a glossy finish, but surprisingly, they don't attract fingerprints easily. However, the case is very slippery, so be careful when handling it. The hinge feels sturdy and well made, which is always a good sign. There's a small button on the case to check battery status. Green light equals over 45% charge. Changes color when it drops below 45%. A simple but handy feature. The earbuds themselves are super lightweight, and because they don't go inside your ears, they feel effortless to wear. This is where the PearlClip Pro really stands out, because they don't seal inside your ear. There's no ear fatigue, no pressure, and no discomfort, even after hours of wearing them. You can leave them on all day and barely notice they're there. This makes them perfect for workouts, running, commuting, or just wearing around the house. Unlike in-ear buds, they don't make your ears feel clogged, and you can still hear your surroundings while listening to audio. Since they don't block outside noise, they're not ideal for loud environments. But for general use, where you need to be aware of what's happening around you, they work really well. Sound quality. Are they good for music? Let's talk about sound. These come with 12mm dual magnetic dynamic drivers, which means they deliver strong mids and highs with decent bass, especially for an open-ear design. For podcasts, audiobooks, and YouTube videos, they sound excellent. Vocals are clear and natural, making them ideal for listening to speech-based content. For music, they do a good job, but there's a catch. Since they don't create a seal in your ears, you won't get that deep, tight bass you'd expect from in-ear earbuds. Now, you can boost the bass using the EQ settings in the SoundPeats app, and it does help improve the low end, but they'll never match the bass response of sealed in-ear buds. Battery life and charging. Each earbud lasts around 5 to 6 hours per charge. With the case, you get up to 24 hours of total playtime. Fast charging, 10 minutes, 2 hours of playback. One thing that stands out about these earbuds is multi-device connectivity. This means you can keep them connected to both your phone and your PC at the same time. For example, if you're listening to music on your PC and a call comes in on your phone, you don't have to manually disconnect and reconnect. The earbuds seamlessly switch over to your phone, allowing you to answer the call without interruption. After testing the SoundPeats PearlClip Pro, here's who I think they're perfect for. People who listen to podcasts, audiobooks, and YouTube videos. Speech sounds super clear. Casual music listeners. If you don't mind lighter bass, they sound great. People who switch between devices often. The multi-device connection is a big plus. If you need noise isolation, these aren't for you. But overall, if you want super comfortable earbuds that you can wear all day without any discomfort, these are 100% worth checking out. Check the description for pricing and availability. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.